Hey folks, Adam here, and today we are looking at this. It's from Redtiger, it's the F7NA. And if you live in the United States, you know that we're the most litigious country in the world. And accordingly, if you're driving a car, you're potentially a target for frivolous lawsuits, and that's where this comes in. Having yourself protected by a camera monitoring those cars around you, those people around you, and making sure that they're not putting you at risk of a frivolous lawsuit is a big deal. So let's go ahead and look at the capabilities. We're going to tell you all of the pros, the cons, and help you decide if this is the right product for you. Let's go ahead and check it out. We're going to kick it off right now. So folks, first and foremost, one of the things I like very much about this is you're getting a 4K image right out of the front of your vehicle. That is giving you incredible views, and yeah, that is so much fun. So with the 4K out front, the 1080p in the back, this is going to give you a beautiful image. Now the install only takes a few minutes. We're going to go ahead and we're going to attach this little suction device right to the front of the car, right on the glass, and then we're going to go ahead and run the rear one as well. And just so you can see, setup is an absolute breeze. We went ahead, connected the app, joined that Wi-Fi network, and within a matter of seconds, we are in and working just fine. All we have to do is connect the app using the default password, which is on your screen. And now that you're in there, we will go ahead and have a fast stream right in front of us. And literally within a matter of seconds, we are connected to seeing exactly what the car is seeing. How cool is this? And we're going to temporarily mount the Redtiger rear camera. And in a moment, we'll just go ahead and take the wiring, run it along the ceiling. That's very nice. Once we close it up, we can see if the angle is perfect for us. And of course, for good viewing, we're gonna go ahead and clean that glass here in a moment. But how easy is that to set up? Now we currently have the device to show us picture in picture. That's very nice. A beautiful image. Yeah, I like it a lot. We can adjust the angle accordingly, but boy, that is easy to see and easy to use. Under our settings, we can change the resolution, turn on and off sound. I like to turn the sound off. I don't need anybody listening in on me. That's just a personal preference. Set up loop recording. The G-Shock sensor, we can turn low, medium, and high, depending on how much we want that to recognize what we're doing. I apologize, we're in a cramped little car here, so the camera might move a little bit. Fatigue reminder to let you know to take a little break. You can turn on and off the Wi-Fi straight to your device. The click tone, let's go ahead and turn that off as well. Screensaver, parking mode. Yeah, you can be protected while you park. GPS, timestamp on and off. I like the fact that we can turn the speed on, we can turn the GPS on and off, everything right there easily and efficiently. And that is so nice, as well as the date. The speed unit, we're going to keep in miles per hour. The distance, the flicker, you can format your card, etc. very easily. You can also do front and rear cam photos and videos, as well as watch it right on the device right there. How cool is that? Go through those video files and watch it right there. You can see all of the on-screen prompts: voice, microphone, Wi-Fi, 4K, shock, GPS, everything easy to understand. And folks, I want to point out one thing that Redtiger has done very well with this device. This little suction cup with adhesive that clips in is very sturdy, even in this 100-degree heat we're having. You can see previous dash cams that we've installed have left sticky, gross residue on our dashboard that's almost impossible to get off, and the cameras have fallen off over time under the heat. So with Redtiger, they've got a design that is made to withstand the elements. Now, if you see a little bit of glue in your 4K footage, That's because previous dash cams just didn't cut it. So one of the things that I really want to point out is how much I love that STARVIS 2 sensor. This is perfect for if you've got some glare into the camera lens. It does a great job of cleaning that up. But in addition, I love the fact that it works so well in low light situations. That Sony sensor is kind of the apex, the peak, what everyone's been working to achieve. So that is a huge selling point and a big advantage that this device has. Also, I want to point out the importance of 4K footage. That 4K footage means that you can do things like read license plates. That means that you can do things like see the faces of people. If you're in that park mode, you can see who's in front of your vehicle. If you are in an accident or somebody bumps into you, you can make sure to get that license plate. That 4K footage, extremely good resolution, you can zoom in on. Regular footage is blurry and not nearly as impressive. Something else is fantastic is that no light distribution. That means there's no halos, there's no issues, it just looks good. And we're talking about 4K, 30 frames per second in the front, and 1080p, 25 frames per second. That is beautiful resolution no matter who you are. And of course, you can't beat that Wi-Fi 6. 20 megabytes per second means uninterrupted feed straight to your phone. You know exactly what's going on. You can get your files quickly and efficiently. This is the only way to go. If you're getting any sort of dash cam, make sure to get Wi-Fi 6. And just to show you how quickly and efficiently and how well this works with voice commands, watch the screen, take a picture. Boom, you got your picture right there. So this has voice commands, constantly monitoring, knowing exactly what you need. Of course, it works in a variety of temperatures. That's very important. We're in Florida. This works from negative 20 degrees Celsius all the way to 70 degrees Celsius. It's hot here in Florida. A lot of dash cams shut down under the heat. We've had no such problem. And of course, folks, that touch screen is so smooth. It's easy to use, and that makes me happy. Previous touch screens from other devices haven't been nearly as good as this, so that's a huge advantage as well. So, I've been told by various lawyers that you need to have a dash cam. It protects you from frivolous lawsuits. We've talked about that. I love the fact that this is a great way to monitor your kids and family to make sure people aren't taking advantage of your vehicle. This also gives you all the security and peace of mind that you'll need. All right, folks, with that being said, thank you so much for joining us. You know we love and appreciate you. Great engineers at Redtiger. We've had such a great time working with them. We've seen them at CES. We've met so many people in their company, and you know what? They're a great company. They're a great dash cam company, and you're never gonna go wrong buying a camera from these folks. And the latest and the greatest that they have set up here is truly impressive. Love those sensors, love the ease of installation, and the app is straightforward. We highly recommend you go pick one up, and stick around for the up close portion of the video where we give you the product up close and personal. Goodbye, my friends. Stick around for even more. All right, friends. Now it's time for our up-close portion of the video. Redtiger. Truly, peace of mind. This is that fantastic new release, the F7NA. 4K ultra-clear STARVIS 2 trademarked sensor, which is great for those low-light situations, and that 5.8 gigahertz Wi-Fi, meaning you'll get your images quick and efficient. Now, of course, it's got the G-Shock sensor to make sure it's recorded before and after any incidents may occur. And a beautiful touchscreen. They've really improved the touchscreen technology. Before, it used to be hard to press the right button on a lot of sensors, on a lot of dash cams, but they've done a great job. Of course, it has voice control. I like that. 4K 1080p dual channel. That means multiple channels. 4K and 1080p, I should state. And STARVIS 2 technology is included as well. Now, we've worked with Redtiger for several years now. It's the brand that I've always used in my vehicle, even though I get a lot of opportunity to test other products. I've been very happy with their performance. Never had them let me down, and that is a positive. So you can see it's got physical buttons, mode, select and OK, right, left and OK. The memory card slot is right here. You've got your power button and your status light. Dual USB-Cs, one for power, one for that rear camera. Of course, it's got the adhesive backing right there. How nice is that? And as we move through, your rear camera end clips, your glass tool, and your power supply cable are all included. Also inclusive is the instruction and your electrostatic sticker, and they've given you additional adhesive to make sure that you can mount accordingly. Even if you have to move it, you're good to go. Now that user manual is straightforward, easy to read, with graphic illustrations. The rear camera port, the power port, everything right there. The power button, the menu button. And yes, the thing about Redtiger is they've been doing this for a long time, so their products are very intuitive and easy to understand. That makes me happy, and I know it'll make you happy as well. So folks, if you're looking for a tremendous brand, one that has you covered from top to bottom and stem to stern, creating products that are lightweight, portable, and affordable, you can trust Redtiger. They give you true peace of mind, particularly with this F7NA 4K ultra clear STARVIS 2 with that Wi-Fi 5.8 gigahertz. Folks, I highly recommend you go pick one up. You will not be disappointed. You know I love and appreciate you, but it's absolutely time to get to shopping. Go pick yours up today. You're gonna love it. Thanks for watching, and well, goodbye, my friends. Go get one.